In this video we will learn how to find place value of a number. Suppose we have a number 769273. Now place in the boxes. We will see how to find place value. So first number is 3 at ones position. We read it as 3. Second number is 7. It is at 10th position. Now we will read it 73. Next number is 2. It is at 100th position. We will read it as 273. Next number is 9. At its 1000th position. We will read it as 9273. Next number is 6. This number is at 10,000th position. We will read it as 69,273. Last number is at 100,000th position. We will read it as 769,273.